So this is basically a city which is generated by, powered by piezoelectricity. Piezoelectricity is basically a concept is when we apply pressure on piezo crystals, the molecular arrangement of it gets distorted and a dipole moment is generated, due to which a circuit is produced and we can produce electricity. You can see here that if we are applying pressure on it, electricity is produced. Now here we have shown different applications and where can it be used in our day-to-day life. For example, if we talk about temples, there is a huge amount of crowd in India which visits temples daily. So the footsteps footsteps can help produce electricity in temples, as well as in other places also we can use it. For example, railway stations and metro stations, there is a huge crowd on platforms. Then footpaths are there, runways there, airports are there and gardens are there. We have also tried to apply them in footwears, where if we the energy produced with it can also be stored in the battery module which will be placed here, and then we can use it furthermore for different purposes.